Hello guys, today we have a very quick tutorial how to convert triangles to quads and quads to triangles. So over here I have a cube and I'm going to click tab to enter edit mode, and we can see all sides are selected. And I'm going to go over here face, and I'm going to select triangulate faces, or just going to click Ctrl plus T. And it's going to triangulate all those faces, as you can see. Now, to do this in reverse, if you want to convert triangles to quads, you're going to go face and click tries to quads, or just Alt plus J. And it's going to do this in reverse. So this is a very quick tutorial how to convert triangles to quads. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.